Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to watch someone's Instagram story without letting them to know that you've seen it. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram, and then as you can see, for example, I want to see the story of Selena Gomez. And then if you want to do what I've said earlier, you can just turn off your Wi-Fi and data and then enable your airplane mode, and then just go ahead and watch her story. Okay, and then after you've done that, just go ahead and exit in Instagram, and then disable your airplane mode and turn on your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.